Today is October 31st, 2025. Bitcoin. Monthly chart. Today is the last day of the month, 31st. So we're seeing how the last one has big wick up here, big wick down there, and a small body in the middle. Mostly an indecision candle, smaller within the last candle, and so forth. So it's consolidating, going sideways here. So we'll see how it ends at the end of the day. But this is pretty much just a sideways action for the monthly. Weekly time frame. Got that sideways movement here. Above the 200 MA. So that's bullish. So that would indicate possibly a movement up here. This is what we're hoping for. And we got liquidity up here, maybe some liquidity down here as well too. So it's just which way it's going to go. I have to observe that. And we can get that idea more from the lower time frames as we get lower to see where it's leaning. Daily time frame. Zoom out, you have a 200 MA. It's just one under, but it's just trying to peek up above it. So let's say today is the day, last day of the month. If you can get above this 200 MA, that's a bullish sign. And this can make a swing low here. That'd be an indication that we might spring back up. But we had one dip here, we have one dip here, and maybe it's time for the rip. An hour time frame, we got 200 MA, it is under. So let's see if it keeps on with this trajectory up. It's going sideways here. So possibly we got one more economic driver coming in, so maybe a dip and a rip, possibly. It's been dipping this all these past hours here. So maybe it's time to come back over the 200 MA. 15 minute, 100 to 200 MA. Touched it. Looks like it's getting rejected, coming back down. So maybe this might be a dip, then rip. Let's go to the 5. Well, let's go from here. We'll go to with trend lines. So here we get the connection of all these connections of the action line. It is broken it, which is a good bullish sign. We got maybe the beginnings of a 6 line forming here with 3 touch points, 1, 2, 3. But this is actually breaking this one, so might have been compromised already. We'll see. And if it does, maybe it'll bounce off of this action line and bounce back up. If it's intended to go above the 200 MA. So that's what we're going to see going on. But with this economic news that's going to drop, you're going to tend to see some volatility, and we'll see how it goes from there. Let's go to in 5 minutes here, 5 minute time frame. Okay, going sideways, bounced off this action line. Even a 200 is about to curve over the action line. Maybe significant, possibly. And a minute. A little dipping underneath the 200 MA, but it's too close, too zoomed in, so I'm not going to give too much reliability on in 1 minute right now, especially since this 1 minute's kind of going sideways, it's kind of flat. So I'll stay on bigger time frames, maybe 5 minutes right now, and see where we go from here.